everyone has a genome. We are all human, and it's the basis.
It is the word that means all of the DNA, all of the hereditary material of an organism.
The DNA is the script for life.
It's the stuff that tells one gene to make its machine in muscle cells and another gene to make its machine in brain cells.
In fact, that DNA code represents solutions evolved by life 3 billion years ago in some cases.
The human genome is essentially our shared inheritance. In the mid-1980s, a few people began to imagine that we might mount a carefully orchestrated attempt to read the entire sequence of the human genome.
The thought of sequencing the whole human genome was utterly outrageous when it was first proposed in 1985. People could barely sequence a couple of hundred letters of DNA at a time. It took a tremendous change in technology to make that possible.
And again, congratulations to our colleagues in Germany and Japan.
The Human Genome Project is an international, multi-component effort to read out the instruction book for human biology, that is our genome, all of the DNA, and to understand what it's telling us.
Whilst we can get a sequence of bases in the genome, we don't know everything yet about how the bases are organized.
We're just beginning readers right now.
We have only the faintest glimmer of what a lot of this information is really telling us.
In a sense, we have the book of human life. We can read the letters, and now we're trying to find the words and put them together into sentences.
is, I think, one of the most exciting moments in all of science, this adventure that we're on.
I'm sure 100 years from now, people will have better lives than they now do.
When I have an opportunity to sit back and think about the impact that this project is going to have on science in the future, I feel very excited and very proud to be part of it.
The rate at which we advance in trying to ameliorate human suffering will now go up extremely steeply.
And the kinds of moments that are comparable in my mind are big moments in history when Copernicus and Galileo discovered that the Earth was not the center of the universe. About 150 years ago, Darwin showed us our place in the animal kingdom. I think what's happening today is that we're finding out now at an internal level much more about what we really are.
This is humanity, this is Homo sapiens, this is it, this is the secret of our lives.